What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. I just want to show you guys how I make a double barrel kit for vape cartridges, so you can vape 2 cartridges at once. And if you're wondering, well, why would you want to do this, there's several different reasons. One of them being, if you are vaping 2 of the same cartridges, you'll be able to get a smoother, cooler, deeper hit without having the harshness of vaping out of one cartridge. The other thing you can do is vape 2 different type of cartridges at once, so you can mix the effects, flavors, stuff like that. And yes, you can hit 2 cartridges without this kit, but there is something real cool you can do with this kit. I'm gonna show you guys in a future vid. So the first things we'll need are 2 different size tubes. The bigger one is 3/8 of an inch inner diameter by 1/2 inch outer diameter. Usually comes in a 10-foot roll. And the smaller one is 17/100ths of an inch inner diameter by 1/4 of an inch outer diameter. And again, that also comes in a 10-foot roll. You'll be able to cut it down to size. As you can see, I have it cut here. Next, we'll need a 3/8 nylon hose barb T-connector and a quick connect coupling that is 3/8 of an inch outer diameter by 1/4 of an inch outer diameter. So I cut 2 pieces of the big tube about 1 foot long so I can connect to each side of the T here, and a smaller piece that'll go on the top that will connect to the quick connect that'll connect to the smaller tube. Altogether, it was about $15. The most expensive part was the quick connect coupling, which was about $5. I also have extra tubing that I'll be able to use in the future. So when you put the coupling on, you want to make sure to slide it all the way in so it sits on the top of the coupling there. It's a little bit thicker on the top part. And after you push it in, you want to put a zip tie in the middle so that it makes it a little bit more of a snug fit so it doesn't pull out. One thing to keep in mind when you cut the length of the tubes is not to make it too long, because you'll have to draw for a longer period before you can get any of the vape, and it'll also accumulate inside of the tube, so you'll have to clear that out as well. So you don't want to make it too long. The end of the zip tie is cut off, and now we can put the smaller tube into the union. You want to give it a good push into the center there so it fits nice and snug. If you need to, you can push the center ring there and pull it out, and the tubing will come back out, and then you can push the tubing back into the middle. You want a nice, snug, tight fit. At this point, we're all done and ready to get our double barrel vape on. I'm gonna put this Matter PharmaCan disposable pen on one side. This is Honeydew, and on the other side I'm gonna open up a Cresco Star Killer disposable cartridge and put it on the other side, and I'm going to mix Honeydew Star Killer to make Stardew. You're going to want to have your cartridges sitting up, not laying down like I have them here. I'm just showing you for demonstration purposes how it works, but you may want to prop them up somewhere or make a little stand so that they're standing up when you use this. If you're using a pull battery, you can just take the vape cartridges out of the tube so you can clear the tube. If you're using a push button battery, you won't have to pull them out of the tube. Now I'm gonna mix this Purple Punch from Nature's Grace with some of this Star Killer from Cresco and make Star Punch. And now I'm gonna mix Rhythm's Tangy with Cresco's Star Killer. I'm gonna make Killer Tangy. Now I'm gonna mix Tangy and Honeydew to make Tangy Dew. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Hopefully this helped you out and inspired you. I hope you try it out. If you do, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Hopefully you were steaming some fresh broccoli while watching this. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. If you don't, it's cool. Hope you guys have a great day. Happy token.